Riri gukoretwo na wagagu thutha wa andu atatu kura kuma mwena wa Mlolongo gugikwirwo maya ukorwo manyititwo migwate ni maabitha a borithi. Riu miri eri niyo yonekanite iri moshari no mudere aramenyeka kuri ari Jaya nyumba ya kuiga miri andu a nyumba ya Justus Mushimi na mawakiri ao mekinyetie thutha wa kwamukira ndumiriri ati mwana wao aya gukorwo ari guku. Na thutha wa kuona mwiri magekira wira ati uyu ni mwana wao.
Fingerprint ndo zilichukuliwa, mwili ilipatikana tarehe 18 Disemba. So fingerprints zimechukuliwa December. They said they want to take the test for 1 month. So fingerprints zimetoka jana, wakasema hii mwili kwa opposite mortuary ni ya Justus.
Msimi ni umwe wa imwana ithatu iria ciorire kuma Mlolongo tariki 17 mweri wa Dithemba na family kauga merirwo wonekire tariki 18 mweri wa Dithemba muthenya umwe tu thutha wake kwaga.
Report imetoka jana kwamba tukuje tuangalie mwili, lakini ushagu ishatoka, fingerprints zimechukuliwa na ID mali ilikuwa imetoka, so report ilifika ushago kabla ifike Nairobi.
Nayo familia Martin Mwao onoria nake worire mwena wa Mlolongo onaguo hithukirio moshari-ini ya City riria riguthainene kuri family yake iria yugite merirwo mwiri wake wonekire tariki 19 thikũ igĩrĩ tu thutha wake kwaga kuma Mlolongo. Kuratwika Mwao akuire thutha wa gũikio rũĩ. Arũĩrĩri a ihoto cia o mundu hamwe na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa mawakiri Faith Odhiambo nimathiĩte na mbere na gũkũmithia ũnyitani wa mĩgwate ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩtabanio.
The fact that the Inspector General of Police and also the Director of the DCI can come to court and tell the court they have no idea, yet this was being done and fingerprints were taken, identified yesterday. It's the responsibility still with the National Police Service. It is up to you to tell us what is going on in this country. Do you have control of what is happening? If it's not you who is abducting these Kenyans, then who is abducting Kenyans? Who is killing these Kenyans? And it's your responsibility to investigate and bring those parties to book.
Maya marahanika riri munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja na munene wa ruhonge rwa ũtuĩria Amin Mohamed mekinyetie igoti-ini makiendwo gũtarĩria kũrĩa atatu acio mari.
That the missing persons are not under the custody of the National Police Service. We have not arrested them, and they are not under our custody.
I'm a law-abiding citizen. Who respects our courts and the orders issued at any given time.
Riu kiuria kinene kiria gitigitwo na Kenya ni nu uranyitana migwate na aria matoikaine kuria mariri nu manyitite migwate.
This is of course part of the list of people whom IPOA was investigating, those who were abducted, and we have now sent our rapid response team to go to the mortuary and find out from more in terms of what has happened in this matter.
Girifotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wakarura mwari wa Nyutu.